We are thrilled to offer you the opportunity to participate in our free 30-minute workshop. During the free 30-minute workshop, you will discover the practical applications of blockchain technology across various industries, including finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and more. Through engaging case studies and interactive discussions, you will explore how organizations are leveraging blockchain to streamline processes, enhance security, and foster innovation. Drawing inspiration from successful implementations, you will learn how to adapt these use cases to meet your specific business needs. Our workshop provides a practical approach to learning, enabling you to delve into various aspects of blockchain development. You will have the opportunity to create your own cryptocurrency, explore the intricacies of smart contracts, and gain insights into decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms. By actively participating in these workshops, you will acquire the skills necessary to begin implementing blockchain solutions. As a special offer exclusively for workshop attendees, we provide a complimentary one-on-one consulting session. This personalized session allows you to discuss your specific blockchain-related queries, explore potential opportunities, and receive tailored guidance customized to your organization's needs. Our experienced consultants will offer valuable insights to propel your ventures to the next level. To register for our free 30-minute workshop, send your contact information to info@cryptokanakini.com. We are eagerly looking forward to receiving your proposal and embarking on this exciting blockchain journey together. If you have any questions or require further information, please do not hesitate to contact us at 808-657-1921.